Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos and videos from your iPhone. If you mistakenly deleted a photo or video in your iPhone and you want to recover them back, this video tutorial will show you exactly how to go about it. First of all, let's go to our gallery. Now we are in our gallery. Let's try deleting some photos and video from this gallery. Let's select and delete. As you can see, I've selected 12 photos. Let me delete them. I've successfully deleted these 12 photos. So if I want to recover these 12 photos back, all I need to do is, as I'm currently in my gallery now, I'll click on the album, which is at the bottom. Once you're at the album, you scroll down, you see where it's written recently deleted. You click on it. Then here you see the deleted photos and videos that you just deleted. These are the 12 photos I just deleted. If I want to recover them back to my phone gallery, all I need to do now is to select all of them. You can select all, you can recover it individually. If you don't want to recover all, you can select the ones you want to recover. For example, now let me select all and recover them back. You click on select, you click on recover all, recover 12 photos. This way I have successfully recovered the deleted 12 photos back to my iPhone. Let's go back to our phone gallery to see the 12 photos. As you can see, the 12 photos are back to my phone gallery. So guys, that is it on how to recover deleted photos and videos from iPhone. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in my next video.